Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a public profile on Snapchat. First, ensure your Snapchat account is set to public. You also need to be at least 18 years old to access this feature. Additionally, having at least one subscriber can help activate the option to create your public profile. These initial steps are crucial before proceeding to the next stage of setting up your profile. Once your account meets the basic requirements, open the Snapchat app and navigate to your personal profile screen. Here, you'll find a small 3 dots icon, usually located next to the Add to Spotlight option. Tapping this icon will reveal a menu. From this menu, select Create Public Profile to start building your new public presence on Snapchat. It's a straightforward process. Now it's time to personalize your public profile. Start by adding a clear profile photo and writing a concise, engaging bio that tells people about you. You can also include a link to your website or other social media platforms to connect with a wider audience. Finally, choose which of your existing stories and spotlights you want to display publicly, showcasing your best content. After setting up your public profile, you can manage its performance by reviewing the analytics, which provide insights into audience engagement. Don't forget to share your unique public profile link across other social media platforms to attract more viewers. Remember, you always have the flexibility to edit or even delete your public profile at any time if your needs change. Enjoy connecting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.